Hello and welcome to the Hunger Games! May the odds be ever in your favor. Or something like that. Hey guys, it is Captain Retro Man here, and today we're playing some Hunger Games, and just to inform you, if I hiccup a lot in this video, I have the hiccups. So, yeah, just putting that out there. Might be a hiccuping video, hiccuping game, but oh well. We'll go on with it. Maybe we'll get a win. Oh, there's an enchantment table at mid. That is good to know. So I've been doing good, but I haven't won or come in second or third. I've been doing good in the fact that, like, not good. And no one even went for that chest. Sweet. And we got some decent weaponry. Alright, I'm going to get that chest. Okay, you don't even touch it. I'll run, because I know there's someone down back there with a weapon, because people were getting hit and stuff. So, that's cool and all, but I'll say no to that. And then snowballs. Don't really need the other stuff, although I probably should have gotten it. But let's focus on a level right now. So last time, let me inform you on a couple games. So 2 games ago, there's this Iron Man dude who was chasing me literally half the game, and I got away, and then I died because he was chasing me pretty hard. And then, only not too long ago, actually just, ooh, there's an enchantment table right here too. Actually, just 1 game ago, I got an iron chest plate in the mid chest, and I'll have you know, it was a pretty decent game, except for the stupid weapon that I got was crap. A wooden sword, which I could have had better, but, you know, an iron chest plate, you don't get those every day. You know, usually it's chain or something. But I did get it, and then I died because I was gonna team with this one guy, and then this person who got the supply drop came out of nowhere and said, like, what are you talking about, team? There's no teams on my map, and, well, we all know how that went. This is the house with the enchantment table. Come on, people. Come here. I need a level. Anybody have a level on you? Of course you do. You're made of levels. Yeah, when you just get destroyed, you just blow up and levels pop out of you. That's what happens. That's how you get your levels. Jeez, these chain chest plates are ridiculous. And please, no one sneak up. That would be swell. And I didn't get a fishing rod, but oh well. Let me put my boat down there and my fish and my snowballs in case I need to snowball some people out of the century. Alright, so we're doing decent, but I don't want to get too cocky because then I'll just mess up for sure. So, gotta make sure that does not happen. And maybe we'll get something good out of something. Who knows? Maybe we can get the enchant or the supply drop. We got a decent weapon, but no levels to enchant, sadly. So, one young boy, let me tell you a sad story. One young man didn't get a level because no one would give it to him. And eventually, that young boy disappeared and lost the Hunger Games. It's pretty sad. And there's 14 people, so there's quite a bit of people, but nobody's around me for some reason. Everybody's just like off in some random direction, which I should be looking over my shoulders a lot more than, but no one seems to be around me at all. And I saw fireworks. Alright. Well, unless it's the 4th of July or something, let's head to the fireworks. It'd be cool if you could get some fireworks, so you could, like, I don't know, get fireworks, I guess? No one's over here, right? Of course there was. I saw some fireworks. And let me back up, please. I'm very scared that I'll get snuck up on, especially since it's nighttime. Wolfie, don't fall off the cliff, man. It's probably not a good idea. Alright, well. Ouch. Alright, Wolfie, do you see anyone? Do you see anyone? I don't see anyone, Wolfie. Can you sniff some people out for me, Wolf? Wolfie man? Jeez, I want to enchant. Really? If I got 2 levels, that would be cool. I could enchant my chest plate and my sword. My sword of awesomeness. But nobody wants to give me the levels to do it. See, that's the thing. I mean, when you get the enchantment table, when you want to get some levels, no one does want you to get some levels. So that's how it goes. All right. So where are the people? That would be nice if you could inform me where they are. Just type it in chat. I am at this location. Meet me there, 10 o'clock. There could be some people at mid-enchanting, possibly. That is a possibility. Which, in that case, they could drop their sword in there. And then leave it there. And then get distraught by me. And where's the enchant? I thought there was. Yeah, there is. But no one is here to use it. Well, there's no shame in coming and scoping. Alright, fireworks. We're going to them. Let me just get some of that regen. I actually don't have that much food. Oh my gosh, another chain chest plate. At least I got some pants. Panties are good. Panties are good. Alright, ouch. How do we get back up? I did see some fireworks. So let's head to that. Who knows where they are now? Oh, the chest will be refilled in 1 minute. Maybe I should just sit here and wait for a minute to pass by. Hello, bud. You don't see me? Okay, now you do. Now you do. With your wooden sword there, bud. And, of course. We're playing it that way, huh? We're playing it that way, huh? Is that what we're doing? Ouch! There's someone behind me, isn't there? Nope. Oh, geez, you blew me to the sky, bro. Nice, he's done. Alright, let's go, let's go. Let's go enchant, let's go enchant. Although, oh, chest will be refilled in 10 seconds. Oh, there's another person. And they have an iron sword. Oh man! Oh man! Pick up the stuff. Pick it up. Pick it up. Please tell me there's a compass on the ground somewhere. I need to enchant, you know. I need to just focus on this right now. Come on, this is my game. Sharpness. Man. Just give me a level. Where's my chest plate's on the ground. This is so dumb. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Oh, this could be my game. They're done. Oh man, there's only like 2 people left. There's only 2 people left and I'm one of them. Oh, this could be my game, guys. There's an... Where is that supply drop at? Well, there's no point in taking stuff out. Must be over there. Oh, I hope they didn't get anything good. I have another level. I have 2 more levels that I can use right now. Nobody's coming, right? Right? You're just going to leave me alone? Is that what's going to happen? Alright. This is going to happen. You're just going to leave me alone to enchant here? Right? That's what's going to happen? Please, no one sneak up. Oh my gosh, I am so geared. Oh, jeez Louise. The only better thing I could get right now is like a diamond sword. Or like something else that's really good.
You should go up top.
Where are we? I don't even have that much food.
Do you have an enchanted wooden sword?
Oh man, this is intense. Oh, I could do this. I could do this. I could do this. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. And then, alright, you're done. You're done. You know it. You're done. Come on. GG! GG! Well, that was the first victory, guys. Woo! I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, look at that gear. If you have, go ahead and leave a like and tell me how you enjoyed it if you have. So, yeah, leave a like. This was Hunger Games on the Mineplex server on Aztec Islands. I think that was my first one ever. So, yeah, first Hunger Games video up. Be looking out for more Mineplex server stuff and more. So, yeah, woohoo! And I'll see you guys next time.